This is Aki, and welcome to Fun Learning. And now, let's explore the changes in state of matter. The matter state's changes depends on temperature and pressure. When you place a liquid inside the ref, the water turns into ice. The process of liquid changes into solid is called the freezing point. And when the ice cube absorbs heat, it will start to melt. Melting is the process of solid changes into liquid. Dry ice changes to gas directly without it becoming liquid or without melting. Now, let's heat the water into the stove. We can see that bubbles are formed from boiling. The bubble rises and escapes from boiling steam or water vapors. The process in which liquid turns into gas is called evaporation. And when the water vapors get in contact with cold surface such as mirror and cools, it forms droplets of liquid water. When gas changes into liquid, it's called condensation.